Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been a very long time, but well, I'm back, and I'm back with another simple hair tutorial. We all know that the whole world is in quarantine now, but that doesn't mean we ladies we have messy hair. So this is a very simple hair tutorial that you can do in less than 40 minutes. So just carry on as you see how I achieve this look. And I'm just going to section my hair into 2 equal halves, starting in the center. So I'll just part the hair into 2 and work on that. So I'll first of all tie the other side with the rubber band so I can work easily on the other side. So I'll just comb the hair and I'll use my Eco Styler gel just to lay the hair flat. My hair is already straightened, so I'm not going to apply too much gel. I just want the hair to lay down flat. So I'm going to just apply the gel sparingly, and I'll brush it so the hair will lay flat, and then I'll braid the hair down. So I'm just going to basically braid the hair from the top to the bottom. So I'm going to repeat the same process with the second half. Comb it, apply the gel, brush it, and braid it all the way down. And guys, for the record, I'm not good at braids at all. I mean, I am actually just still learning, so I'm not an expert at braiding. I'm just learning, so please just manage it the way it is. So if you're very good at braids, then it's a plus on your side, and if you don't know how to braid at all, then oh my goodness, I'm sorry, I don't know how to help you, but you can still find your way. Guys, don't mind me, I was watching a very interesting movie and that was why I was laughing. So now that I'm done, I'll just brush it again so that any flying hair will lay down flat. And I'm doing that because I'm not going to tie this with any hair scarf to lay the hair flat. I'm going to continue like that because I didn't apply too much gel, so the hair is not wet and doesn't need extra laying down. Does that even make sense? Well, but I'm going to just go in straight with my hair extensions. This is a kinky hair extension and I will tie it to the ends of my hair, as you can see. And what I'm going to do now is just to basically twist the hair the way I'm doing, and I'll just wrap it around my hair like in a bun. So I'll wrap the hair around and I will use my bobby pins to secure the hair. So that's just all about this hairstyle. From now on, I'll just use as much bobby pins as I need to secure the hair, and yeah, that's just all about it. I'll just keep wrapping the hair and using my bobby pins to secure it, and we are done with this hairstyle. So if you want your bun to be bigger than this, you just add more hair to what you already have. But as you can see, mine is not that big and I think I'm okay with that. So if you want your bun to be bigger, then it's just to add more hair. Guys, you know me, I can't do without this hair embellishment, so I'm just going to attach these tiny hair embellishments to the hair to make it look more beautiful, and that's just about it. And voila, this is the final look. Guys, you can see how simple but classy this hair look. You can rock it anywhere at all, anywhere. And guys, I really love the outcome. You can see, very simple. I achieved this look in less than 40 minutes, honestly. So that is all about today's video, and I hope you love it. Guys, just look forward to more tutorials because I'm back, and I'm back with a bang. So guys, I'll see you all in my next video. Please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Bye guys.